Vinyl window installation in Knoxville offers a range of benefits, including improved energy efficiency and enhanced aesthetics. Energy-efficient vinyl windows Knoxville are designed to reduce heating and cooling costs, making them a smart investment for homeowners. Double-hung vinyl windows Knoxville provide a classic look with modern functionality, allowing for easy cleaning and ventilation. Window frame replacement Knoxville is essential for maintaining the structural integrity and performance of your windows. Custom vinyl windows Knoxville can be tailored to fit any architectural style, providing a unique and personalized touch to your home. Vinyl window installation Knoxville is a cost-effective solution for addressing minor damages and extending the life of your windows. Affordable window replacement Knoxville ensures that you can upgrade your home without breaking the bank. Vinyl window styles Knoxville range from traditional to contemporary, offering options to suit any taste. Window glass replacement Knoxville is crucial for maintaining clarity and insulation, especially in older homes. Vinyl window maintenance Knoxville involves regular cleaning and inspection to ensure optimal performance and longevity. Insulated vinyl windows Knoxville are designed to provide superior thermal insulation, keeping your home comfortable year-round. Vinyl window upgrades Knoxville can enhance both the functionality and appearance of your windows. Vinyl window contractors Knoxville are experienced professionals who can guide you through the selection and installation process. Vinyl window benefits Knoxville include durability, low maintenance, and resistance to weathering. Vinyl window options Knoxville offer a wide variety of colors, finishes, and designs to choose from. Vinyl window solutions Knoxville are tailored to meet the specific needs of your home, ensuring maximum efficiency and style. Vinyl window designs Knoxville can complement any architectural style, from traditional to modern. Vinyl window features Knoxville include multi-chambered frames and advanced locking systems for added security. Vinyl window durability Knoxville ensures that your windows will withstand the test of time and harsh weather conditions. Vinyl window efficiency Knoxville is achieved through advanced engineering and high-quality materials. Vinyl window aesthetics Knoxville enhance the curb appeal of your home, making it more attractive to potential buyers. Vinyl window insulation Knoxville is key to reducing energy consumption and maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. Vinyl window performance Knoxville is measured by their ability to provide insulation, security, and ease of use. Vinyl window longevity Knoxville is a testament to their quality construction and materials. Vinyl window customization Knoxville allows you to create a unique look that reflects your personal style. Knoxville vinyl window installation is a seamless process when handled by experienced professionals. Energy-efficient vinyl windows Knoxville are an excellent choice for homeowners looking to reduce their carbon footprint. Double-hung vinyl windows Knoxville offer versatility and ease of use, making them a popular choice among homeowners. Window frame replacement Knoxville is necessary for ensuring the proper fit and function of your windows. Custom vinyl windows Knoxville provide endless possibilities for personalization and design. Vinyl window installation Knoxville can address issues such as broken seals, cracked glass, and damaged frames. Affordable window replacement Knoxville allows you to upgrade your home without exceeding your budget. Vinyl window styles Knoxville include options such as casement, awning, and sliding windows. Vinyl window installation in Knoxville offers a range of vinyl window options to suit any home. With custom vinyl windows Knoxville, homeowners can enjoy the benefits of energy-efficient vinyl windows Knoxville, which help reduce energy costs and improve home comfort. Vinyl window contractors Knoxville provide expert services for window frame replacement Knoxville, ensuring a perfect fit and finish. Vinyl window maintenance Knoxville is essential for preserving the longevity and performance of your windows. Regular vinyl window installation Knoxville can address any issues promptly, ensuring that your windows remain in top condition. Affordable window replacement Knoxville options are available for those looking to upgrade their home with the latest vinyl window designs Knoxville. The vinyl window benefits Knoxville are numerous, including improved insulation and energy efficiency. Insulated vinyl windows Knoxville provide superior thermal performance, keeping your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer. Vinyl window insulation Knoxville is a key factor in achieving these energy savings, making vinyl window upgrades Knoxville a smart investment. Vinyl window styles Knoxville offer a variety of choices to match any architectural design. From double-hung vinyl windows Knoxville to custom vinyl windows Knoxville, there are vinyl window solutions Knoxville for every taste. Vinyl window aesthetics Knoxville enhance the curb appeal of your home, while vinyl window features Knoxville provide added functionality and convenience. Vinyl window durability Knoxville ensures that your windows will withstand the test of time. With vinyl window efficiency Knoxville, you can enjoy lower energy bills and a more comfortable living environment. Vinyl window performance Knoxville is unmatched, providing reliable operation and minimal maintenance requirements. Vinyl window customization Knoxville allows homeowners to tailor their windows to their specific needs and preferences. With a wide range of vinyl window designs Knoxville and vinyl window options Knoxville, you can create the perfect look for your home. Vinyl window solutions Knoxville offer the flexibility to choose the right style, color, and finish for your project. Vinyl window aesthetics Knoxville are complemented by the practical benefits of vinyl window insulation Knoxville. This combination of form and function makes vinyl window upgrades Knoxville an attractive choice for homeowners seeking to enhance their property's value and efficiency. Vinyl window contractors Knoxville are skilled in delivering high-quality installations that meet the unique needs of each client. Vinyl window features Knoxville include advanced locking mechanisms and easy-to-clean surfaces, making them a practical choice for busy households. Vinyl window longevity Knoxville ensures that your investment will provide years of reliable service. With vinyl window customization Knoxville, you can achieve the perfect balance of style and performance for your home. Vinyl window efficiency Knoxville is a key consideration for those looking to reduce their environmental impact. Energy-efficient vinyl windows Knoxville help lower your carbon footprint while providing a comfortable indoor environment. Vinyl window performance Knoxville is designed to meet the highest standards of quality and durability, ensuring that your windows will stand the test of time.